Alright, so you're tired of playing a YouTube video and random stuff coming up. I'm going to show you guys what to do. First, you need to go to QuietTube.com. You can Google it and then just go QuietTube.com or type it in. It's going to pull up this little thing right here. You just drag this button over to your toolbar. Boom, there it is. Then, once you're done with that, you can go to any kind of YouTube video. So here's a YouTube video that I have, and here's all this crap on the side. All you need to do is start playing the YouTube video, then go into QuietTube. QuietTube will automatically, within your browser, start to play the YouTube video. No ads, no stuff around the side, just the video. Now, the great thing about this is that you can take this link right here that QuietTube is playing this video in, and this can be the link that you send to kids. This can be the link that you send to them. Whenever they open up this link, it's going to show the video with nothing else around it, no ads, and no nothing.